are going to see, it has been designed as if it is going to store permanently. Even though we are going to store temporarily, but the way it's being designed and constructed, it can cater for permanent storage. But we are not going to do that. The fact that we are very well advanced in our research for commercialization of our waste.
For material that can be reused, we will recycle, as long as it meets all the international standards for reuse. We have standards for that. As long as it is safe, we will recycle and reuse. So that's part of our company policy. And you will see in the future, countries where it's common, China, 95% of the industries are in China, they will be moving that way. So what we have now, all the facilities that we have to treat our materials to safeguard the environment is way ahead of what China is doing. Okay, we have three solid streams, what we call residues just now. One is FGD, one is NUF. Both are less than 1 becquerel per gram. So those are no-brainers that can be reused because those are basically gypsum. So the one that we have, the other one is WLP, which has got about 6 becquerels per gram. So what we say is that the most important thing is that it must be in accordance to the regulations and standards, which means that the becquerels readings or the numbers must be lower than 1. So as long as that is achieved, and as long as it's not leaching, as long as it's not toxic, then it can be used. It can be used as a road-based material, it can be used as a concrete material, as a composite in the applications of those materials. So that's why I say, in the end, it goes back to the technical facts. The technical facts will prove whether these things are going to be hazardous or not. So the two things that's going to be hazardous is that what is actually the becquerel level? Is it lower than 1 becquerel? And then is it going to be leaching out or not? So those are the things that we are doing in the lab. As long as those technical things are being achieved and proven, then there is no issue in actually recycling. In fact, it's good to recycle.